Hey, what's up guys, I'm Jagath and welcome back to my channel. So today I've got Red Ranger 8K Helium sensor with me. So today in this video, let us unbox and find the specification of this camera. So let's get started.
With the camera, I'll also be unboxing Red Pro Touch 7-inch LCD display, Red Minimag USB 3.1, OLPF skin tone and low light sensor, and Red Minimag 480GB. Before unboxing, let's have a look around the box. On the top and front side we have got Red and Red Ranger mentioned. Now let's open the box. Inside we have got the camera and production handle. And along with that we also get some accessories like
Charger, cables and adapters.
Now let's fix this production handle on the camera. Before moving on to the camera, let's also unbox Minimag USB and Red Pro Touch 7-inch LCD monitor.
On the front it is mentioned as red and below it is mentioned as Red Station Red Minimag USB 3.1.
Now let's open this box and see what's inside. Inside the box, we have Red Limited warranty card, then we have the Red Minimag USB drive, and then we have got the USB cables. Now moving on to the Red Pro Touch LCD monitor.
In this box we have got only red mentioned.
Inside, as we can see, we have got the monitor. On the top side it is mentioned as Red and 7.0. Now let's take a look at the front side. It is mentioned as Red Digital Cinema. Then inside the box we also get the USB cables for connecting the monitor. Then the last thing inside the box is that we also get a pouch for keeping this monitor. Moving on to the next, these are OLPF sensors. One is for low light and the other one is for skin tone. Coming to the last, so this is Minimag 480GB. With this 480GB card, data rates up to 300 megabytes per second can be achieved. Now let's remove from this cover and see. As we can see, it has got red color finish to it. It has got red mentioned on it. Moving on to the back side, on the back we have got Red Minimag 480GB mentioned. Same way on the top side also we have got 480GB Red Minimag mentioned.
Let me now remove this.
Let's have the physical overview of the camera. On the front we have got the shimmed PL mount. Inside the shimmed PL mount we have got the Helium 35.4 megapixel CMOS sensor. Then at the bottom we have got the logo with Red Digital Cinema mentioned. On right side we have got two shortcut buttons 1 and 2 with record button on the center. Then on the sides we have got two mounts for monitor.
Below the mounting points we have got red reflective stickers.
On the back side the camera comes with V-mount battery plate.
This camera has got integrated I/O ports, P-Tap 12 and 24 watt output, additional SDI aux power output, built-in 5-pin XLR audio input, and it has got many other ports. I'll explain all these ports with examples in another video.
On the top of the camera they have built a plate with different mounting points. Below the plate we have got a single fan for cooling the camera. This is also one of the main highlight of this camera. This single fan is expected to work without any noise. It will be interesting to see how this fan works and how efficient it is. The specification, this camera can shoot 60 frames per second at 8K resolution, 120 frames per second at 4K resolution and 240 frames per second at 2K resolution.
It has got
16.5 plus tops dynamic range, aluminium body, camera weighs around 3 kgs.
This Red Ranger 8K Helium sensor is Chennai's first camera. Today I have unboxed it. It is actually available for rent at Thiru Studio in Chennai. If you all want, you all can make use of this opportunity. I have provided all the details in the description below. Please do check it out. So that's it from this video, guys. I'll upload the raw footage of this Red camera in the upcoming video. So please stay tuned for it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.